is fine, and I also hope that you have seen my previous video regarding indicators and how to prepare your own litmus paper. I hope you have tried it in your home also. So here today we are going to learn few more properties of acids and bases. Okay, so here first let us learn about acids. And acids are very reactive. Okay, so they react with different kinds of materials and they give out different products. Actually not different products, they will be giving similar products on all the reactions. So whenever acids are reacting with different materials, they give out salt and water majorly. Whether they are reacting with metals or carbonates, metal carbonates, or whether it might be any of the base or any other thing, they will be giving out majorly salt and water compulsorily, but along with that maybe some other products also. Today let us know about two of its properties when acid reacts with metals and when acid is reacting with sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate. So to conduct the experiments, I have taken few of the items here. So here I have taken vinegar as an acid, and I have taken 2 straws, glasses, paper clips, and this is washing soda, this is baking soda, and one more, this is interesting thing, I will say it later. And this is also, we can say it as lime water. And I have taken 1 spoon. So these are the ingredients I have taken. And now let us start with our first experiment, metals reacting with acid. Experiment of acids reacting with metals, I have taken 1 glass, 2 paper clips, and this is acetic acid, that is nothing but your vinegar. Okay, so here what we are going to do is first we are going to add the paper clips into the glass. Okay, then later on we are going to add the acetic acid. So here when you have added it, we can observe some of the bubbles here, but it will be not forming immediately. It takes time because we know that the acetic acid is a weak acid, but whereas hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid will be the strong acids. So we generally use that 2 kinds of acids which are diluted in our labs, but here as those are not available, so we are running with our acetic acid. Okay, so but it will be taking a long time. So here let me show the result of here. So this one I have kept it 1 day ago, and you can see the paper clips have turned black color. Are you able to observe it? So this is because of the evolving of the hydrogen gas from it. So that metal when it is reacting with the acetic acid. So here we know that on reacting on hydrolysis, what it is, acids will be giving out the hydrogen gas. So here in the same way, when the metals are acting with the acids, then what does the acid give out? Acid will be giving out salt and also the hydrogen gas. So here that salt is forming as a coating onto the paper clips here, and the hydrogen gas is evolved out. So that one you can know by in the 9th class also you have the similar experiment. By keeping the balloon on the conical flask, that balloon will be bloated. So in the same way, why is that balloon bloated? It is because of the evolving of the hydrogen. In our experiment, we have seen that when metals are added to the acids, then what happens? Acids will be releasing salt and the hydrogen gas. So this is what our first experiment is. So let us know what is our next experiment. This is our next experiment. So for this experiment, I have taken 1 glass, a paper cup, a straw, and a lime juice, and this is our sodium bicarbonate, which is nothing but your eating soda, and vinegar. Okay, so here first let us add some amount of the sodium bicarbonate, and to that I am going to add some ml of the, so yes, we can observe the quick effervescence evolving from that, and that gas we are subjecting it to the lime water. So slowly you can see the color change in the lime water. So slowly it is turning to little bit white color. Yes. So initially the lime water was not this white color. It was little bit transparent. And now because of the carbon dioxide which has evolved from this solution, it has turned to the little bit white color. It will be, if it is a strong acid, it would have turned into dark milky white. And here in the glass you can also observe that there is some salt which has been settled down, and there is a clear liquid. Yes, so that clear liquid is nothing but the water, and the salt which has been settled down is the sodium chloride. Okay. So here this was our experiment, and have you observed the quick effervescence? So that was because of the evolving of the carbon dioxide. Okay, so here let us see what will be the reaction with the sodium carbonate, which is nothing but a washing soda or surf. Okay, so let us, so here for our next experiment, we have taken one glass, a paper plate which has one straw. Okay, so here, and in another glass we have taken some ml of the lime juice and vinegar. Okay, so now let us add the sodium carbonate. So that is nothing but your surf. So here we are going to add the surf, and afterwards let us add the acetic acid, which is nothing but your vinegar. So can you observe the quick effervescence, children? So here when you are passing it on to the lime water, so whatever gas is being produced, we are going to subject it to the lime water. So here a little bit we can observe the color change. It did not turn to a dark milky white, but it has turned to somewhat white color. And here in the glass also we can observe the layer has formed. So here can you see the quick effervescence here? Yes, as we get in the thumbs up bottle or Sprite bottle, in the same way we got the effervescence. And here there is a clear solution. So why is this clear solution? I don't know, the salt and the water will be formed. Okay, the salt solution have been formed here, and the carbon dioxide is evolving out, and the clear solution, which is water, is settling down. Okay, so this was our experiment with the sodium carbonate. So I hope you have understood these two activities very clearly, and in my next video very interesting topic is going to come. So till then, if you have any doubt regarding this topic, you can comment in my comment section, and do try at your home, because science is no way it is at your surroundings. So you have to just observe it and you have to learn it, because whatever items products I have taken, those all are available in your home itself. You need not to go anywhere for them. You need not to get any strong acid or anything. So it takes time, but the result will be there. So here you have to just be patient, and you have to learn the things very carefully. So here, if you have any doubts regarding that, and you please comment in my comment section. Till then, keep observing and keep learning. Thank you.